Hey guys, how you doing? How are you doing? I'm coming at you. I'm gonna spend some time with you. So we're gonna wait for a few people to get here. I gotta let my Discord know I am here. So how's it going with you, everybody? Let me know, you guys. Drop in the chat. You guys can hear me. We got a few people here. Actually, we got a few people here. Oh, cool. Got a few people here, so drop in the chat. Cool, there we go. Dots, Mr. Blazian, Tony's here from Vegas. I hope I'm saying your name right. Mr. Blazian is here from Las Vegas, one of my favorite cities on the planet. I love Vegas. And I'm absolutely coming out to Vegas in the near future because they lifted the mask mandate, and Vegas is not Vegas without if you got to wear a mask. So there you go on that. So good to see you guys. We got some people here with us. We got a lot to talk about. Kai Spy's here. Will Shiba Inu reach 1 cent? Yeah, I think it will reach 1 cent, but a lot of things have to happen. We got to get a major coin burn, like 300 billion in coin burn, and a lot of positive catalysts. We've got a lot of things that have to happen. My favorite YouTuber, thank you for that. Boston, Mass. Here you go. Greetings from Europe. Got a couple of people here from Boston. Cool. One of my buddies lives in Boston. Good. Yes. Come on, I'll buy you a drink. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, I love Vegas. How many people love Vegas? Show of hands. Drop in the chat. How many of you guys love Vegas? There you go. Got Australia in the house. North Macedonia. Wow. Cool, man. Still. Yeah, absolutely. Come to Texas. We're running wide open. Yeah, that's where I'm at. You guys know I'm in Texas. So we got about 150 people here live with me. That's pretty sweet. Very, very cool. Let me know everything. Yeah. Yep. We're waiting for it. Atari has a token, and it's building a hotel casino in Las Vegas right now. Check it out. I do know Atari has a token. We talked about the other day on my last live. I did not know that Atari was building a casino. Doesn't surprise me. It's crazy. Doesn't surprise me. Cool. Let's see what else. From Screwy's Tattoo in Mississippi. Cool. Welcome, Screwy. Screwy Louie. So if y'all ever in Mississippi, y'all go to Screwy's Tattoo if you want to get a tattoo. Thanks for spending some time with me, Screwy. Very cool. All right, we got about 100. I got about 200 people. That's pretty cool. We got about 200 people here live. So let me show you guys this. I've got a brand new pop. I don't even call these pop. These little figures. So this is actually one that my wife and my son bought me. So I'm going to show this to you. We're going to unbox this, right? Okay, so this is for my collection. She bought me a couple. So this one, you can see is... there's actually a story to this. So she's always kind of looking for these. So here it is. You guys know what it... So let me put this up so you guys can see that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's a little pop bobblehead, right? And it's for Hostess Donuts. Now, a little side note here. This is absolutely, if I'm going to eat donuts, these are my favorite donuts. Powdered, white sugar powdered donuts. So here you go. Drop in the chat. What's your favorite donut? Do you love these little powdered donuts? And I love them because they're small, right? So that's why I love that. So that's a new little addition to the little family there. So we're going to add him there. So what do y'all think? Do you guys like powdered sugar donuts? And what's your favorite donut? Drop that in. I'm always curious. So let's see what you guys like. There we go. So that's one of my new little. We can't cover up Mahomes though, because he's the Mahomes is the OG, right? He's the original gangster. He's been with us for a while. So we had some people donuts. Yep. Somebody, Mr. Blazian doesn't like donuts. Like that. Let's see. Yes on the donuts, my fave. Somebody said those taste like candlesticks. Oh, that was Vegas, yeah. Let's see. Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, Dunkin' Donuts are good. I like Dunkin' Donuts coffee. That's what I like. Okay. All right, guys. So let's get started. So I just released a video. Oh, by the way, hit the like button if you would. We got about 233 people here with me live. Hit the like button. That's going to help. Please hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Hit that like button. That does help the whole YouTube ranking thing and lets people know I'm here and helps me. So I would greatly appreciate it. Oh, somebody dropped in apple fritter. Absolutely. So Taylor Dallas said, can we discuss investing in the mining companies that are bringing their business to Texas? I would think these will explode. Taylor, I don't know which mining companies are coming to Texas, but I'm happy to have that discussion. I haven't been cards on the table. I actually haven't. I mean, you guys know I live in Texas. I didn't know which ones are coming yet. I will look at that though. Let me make a note. Mining companies. Let me write that down, Taylor. That's a good thing. Mining companies. Coming to Texas. Okay. All right, I wrote that down. All right, so we're going to move on here, guys. All right, cool. So here we go. So let's talk about the fact that this is the biggest week ever. We're going to talk about Shiba. We're going to talk about Doge. We're going to talk about Elon. We're going to talk about all things crypto. So, yeah, let's do that. Let's talk about the overall state of the union. Okay, so here's some good news, guys. You guys know I'm always wanting to keep you guys focused on this, right? Okay, so datamish.com, free to use, by the way. I always turn on 90-day, and look at this. We've had a massive drop in the number of short selling positions for Bitcoin. Again, why do you care? You care because this drives the overall market, okay? So we spiked up to about 25,000 short selling positions on June 25th. And so we've backed off of that, which I think is which is absolutely attributed to the reason that Bitcoin is now starting to kind of rise a little bit. And you can see that Bitcoin's up about 3% and Ethereum's up about 10%. Now, here's the funny thing. I actually bought some Bitcoin last night and I bought some additional Ethereum last night. So I'm already in the positive on both of those buys, which is pretty cool. Bought some Cardano as well as I bought some Polygon right now. And I'm buying some others and that kind of stuff. And these are things these are stocks, damn it. These are cryptos that I'm buying for for me, but they're also where I'm tracking everything for my Patreon group. Okay, and so for my private inner circle group, where I'm letting them know exactly what I'm buying and things like that. Now these are the 4 stable coins I've bought so far. I'm buying others, things like that. So if that's something of interest to you, if you're looking for a Discord group, kind of a community, check that out, etc. Okay, so I like what I'm seeing in the overall market, but I'm going to tell you guys. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Hey, Gary's in the house. Good to see you, Gary. Welcome. Thank you for. I love that you're here. What I want to tell you is I'm going to tell you this, guys. I think that the overall crypto market is going to be kind of flat, maybe a little bit up for the rest of June. Yes, I realize we're almost done with June, and maybe into the first couple of weeks of July. I think that's kind of what I'm seeing, and I think the last half of July, I think we should definitely maybe hit and really take off. Okay, so my point here is, we're a little flat right now. Okay, it is what it is, right? And so the overall market, but this is good news, guys. This is good news that we've had a massive reduction in the short selling positions on Bitcoin, which could give us room, which could set the stage for Bitcoin to kind of continue to kind of maybe start to do a run. And if we can get over 42,000 in Bitcoin, I think we are out and we're heading up. We're heading up, right? I think that's where we're at. Okay. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Drop in the chat. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think about kind of the overall state of the union? Do you think that Bitcoin's going to hit $40,000 in July? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you guys think that Bitcoin's going to hit $40,000 in July. Let me know. Drop that in the chat, okay? All right, Q. Dunkin' Donuts. Sean's asking if eToro's adding new coins a day. I haven't seen. Let's go real quickly. Where I had eToro up. Where's it at? Let me do that while y'all are hitting in the chat here. eToro US. Are they adding new coins today? eToro's got some of the best commercials there are. If y'all ought to watch this one. This one's these are funny. This guy right here, he does good commercials. This one's funny too. Y'all ought to check that out. Let's test this. Not seeing where they've added anybody today. So no, I'm not seeing any. Oh, here we go. No, it's June 21. No, I've not seen any new coins added today on eToro. So there you go. All right. Dunkin' Coffee, love your channel. Thank you. Worcestershire kid. Okay, I'm just thinking of anything else. What else? What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Bitcoin's going to hit 40,000 in? There we go. AV guy says July 4th will hit 42,000. That's pretty. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, we got the SHIB 2.0 white paper. We're going to talk about that. Okay, cool. All right, let's keep going. All right, so let's talk about SHIB since it's on all of our brains. Okay, let's talk about the latest and greatest with SHIB. I'm assuming that you guys know about this, okay? But if you don't, you need to pay attention and you need to join in on this tomorrow, okay? Is that you need to kind of go check this guys out. Is that you need to this is the CertiK AMA for SHIB. It's happening tomorrow, Tuesday, June 29, 4 p.m. Eastern. It's on their Telegram. The way that you get access to it is you basically just scan this little bad boy right here, and you can get into it. It's in their Telegram. Go join their Telegram. Okay, so that's how you can get access to it. I am going to be reporting on this tomorrow. I'm going to be watching, listening, etc., and probably not going to live stream it because I don't really know, but I'll bring you guys the info. All right. So just letting you guys know, this is a massive big deal, guys. Okay. So this specifically relates to the audit and AMA around Shiba Swap, etc. To me, this is the thing that has really, frankly, made kind of the naysayers, there's your word of the day, made the naysayers go away. You noticed how that's quieted down a little bit. Golly gee, wow. Interesting how that happened, right? And I've done a couple of videos on this, guys, where we've talked about kind of the overall state of the union and how I've been covering SHIB now on my channel for about 5 or 6 weeks, and it seems like a lifetime, honestly, not in a bad way. But it's just like, it's crazy to see the evolution of SHIB. And, we went through those really kind of dark weeks where we had a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And there was people piling onto my channel every video saying I needed to quit covering it because it was a scam and all this other crap. And it's crazy. So it's like now those people have gone away. Oh, golly. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, so this is good stuff. So stick around, either A, watch it if you have time, or B, tune into my channel tomorrow. We'll see. I may actually do a live stream after with my buddy Zach. I don't know. We'll see. We'll be talking about this. There'll be some stuff. So we'll see how all that kind of plays out. But that's the major big thing, right, for Shiba this week. So there you go. So go check that out. And the way you find this, guys, if you go over to Twitter and you just basically search Twitter for CertiK K, you can find this, and there you go. All right. So let's see if there's any new chats I need to look at. Amsterdam, cool's here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna. All right, you guys hit the like button if you would, please. We got about 400 plus people live. So hit the like button. Appreciate it. All right. Oh, we got some haters in the room, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, you always have, every now and then you got a few haters in the chat. All right, so it's good. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. All right. So SHIB is kind of moving up gradually, guys. We were up 3%, which is actually pretty good. And you can see, let me get rid of this real quickly. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. You can see that we've moved up a little bit, and now we're starting to kind of consolidate just a little bit. What I like about it is the candlesticks are starting to get a little bit bigger. We're getting some more trading volume, etc. And I just consider, and here's the thing. I think we may spike, guys. We might spike tomorrow after, or actually leading up to CertiK. We might spike a little bit after. I mean, that thing is a major catalyst tomorrow. Okay. Oh, we got a super chat. Thanks for the info you put out, bub, from Sakwek. Well, thank you for that, Zach. I appreciate you. Thanks for the super chat. Thank you. All right, so here we go. So I think we're going to continue. We might, for the remainder of today and tomorrow, either A, move up just a little bit, or we might start to kind of, you can see we got the beginnings of we've kind of got the beginnings of kind of a sideways pattern here. We'll see if that continues to develop, right? Well, we've got a support level, which we really don't have enough data yet to, oh shoot, I always do that wrong. And now I've drawn a little stupid little bubble there. Okay, well we've got, give me this. I need to move this guy. Okay, so we don't have quite enough data yet. I need about 3 touch points, but we kind of got them for our support level. And then overall resistance is probably in there, somewhere in there. We'll see how that continues to develop. Okay, anyway. So the other major thing we've got, well, we've got 2 things this week. Here's the thing, guys. We've got 2 things. Number 1, there is rumor and speculation, drum roll please, rumor and speculation that Shiba Swap is going to launch on July 1. That's the sum total of what I know. There is rumor and speculation that Shiba Swap is going to launch on July 1. I'm not spreading false crap. I'm just letting you guys know. You guys know. I'm just letting you guys. There is rumor. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know if that's true or not. But there is rumor that that Shiba Swap is going to launch on July 1. That's the second big thing this week. The third big thing this week is we got our buddies over at Coinbase, right? We've got Coinbase Pro. They fixed, quote, the technical issues, and our buddies at Coinbase may be bringing SHIB onto Coinbase this week. Coinbase Pro, excuse me. Okay, so let me know. Do you guys think? Number 1, do y'all think that Shiba Swap is going to happen on July 1? Number 2. Do you guys think Coinbase Pro is going to bring us on this week? Do y'all think that? Let me know. Drop in the chat if you want to chat me in here. Let me know. And now I'm going to read the chat just for a minute. Oh, Nut's in the house. Nutsack's in the house. Hey, buddy. What's up, Nut? He says we need Bitcoin to hit 42,000 for everything to skyrocket. Till then, we will go up and downs. I think we won't see that till August, but that's my opinion. Yeah, thanks for that, Nut. I appreciate it. Nut's he's part of my private group, which is cool. It's great having him over there. He's a fantastic addition. So, and I think he just likes me to say Nutsack all the time I've never thought I would say Nutsack this much in my life, but that is the best screen name on the planet. So Nutsack, which says we need Bitcoin to hit 42,000 for everything to skyrocket. I tend to agree. We need to get over 40,000. I agree with you there on that, Nut. Till then, we will go up and down. I think we won't see that till August. So Nut thinks it's August. So there you go. Well, thanks for the super chat, brother. Appreciate you. Nobody's trying to guess anymore about Bitcoin going up. Shiba Swap, yes, this week. Somebody thinks, Christine says, yeah, this week. Hopefully Coinbase before the swap drops. Crystal said that. Yeah, that's a good point, Crystal. Get Coinbase kind of up and running, and before we get Shiba Swap, maybe. But this week's gonna be tight, man. I mean, I think it's all gonna break loose after tomorrow, the CERTIC AMA. I think it's all gonna go. Yeah. So Will said the chart on and that's where some of it's coming from. So. Yeah, Will, the chart on the Wolf Paper version 2 shows bone liquidity event starts on July 1st. Yeah, some of that's where that's coming from. So, Will, thank you for that. So, Will talks about it on the Wolf Paper, which is right here. By the way, you guys need to go check out shibatoken.com. They've redone the website, and you can download the Wolf Paper right here. And he's talking about right here on the Wolf Paper that the bone liquidity event starts July 1. Okay, so that's where some of that is coming from, that, hey, we're going to launch Shiba Swap on July 1. So we'll see. We'll see. I keep getting a bunch of people asking me when it's going to go to a penny, when Shiba's going to go to a penny. That's usually the main question I get, guys. That's years out, guys. It's a while away. Plus, we got to have all these major catalysts come into play. We got to get massive coin burns, all that kind of stuff, guys. It's a ways out, guys. It's a ways out. Okay. Somebody's Easy's asking me, do I like VET? Yeah, I do like VeChain. Absolutely do. So yeah. Let's see what else we got here. Debbie D, what platform can you buy in New York? Well, Debbie, you could use a VPN to hide where you're at, and then I think you're pretty much good to go. You know, like I'm here in Texas. I use Coinbase. I set up a new Coinbase account literally last night. Had no problems, and I'm in Texas, and I did not use a VPN. So check out. Use a VPN. That'll hide where you're at. Sanchu Inu, somebody's asking about that. It's one of the new community coins, brand new, speculative. I don't know a lot about it. If you're kind of looking at putting some money into it, just kind of, go into it eyes wide open, and don't put money into it you can't afford to lose. I'm not slamming it. I'm just saying, just kind of be aware, right? Okay. Yeah, so some people are chiming in on the version 2, the wolf paper. All right, cool. All right. So, guys, let's continue to move. I think that as far as Shiba goes, that's really what I wanted to talk about. I mean, we'll continue to come back to SHIB. I think that this is the biggest week ever. And, I haven't even, we got eToro, we got Webull, Robinhood. So I think Robinhood, I mean, they'd be stupid not to bring SHIB on. We don't have any definitive date. eToro, I think, again, they make money off the trading volume, right? So I think that they're going to want to be a part of the SHIB trading volume game to make some cash. Let's just say what it is, right? And so we'll see how that develops, okay? We got 600 people here live, guys. If you would, please hit the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Hit the like button if you would, please. That helps me and helps everything. So I appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, Coinbase is no issue in Texas. Yeah, I mean, you can use a VPN to kind of hide yourself. Did you know there's a VPN out there, or there's a system out there called I literally think it's called hideyourass.com, hideyourass.com, and I think it's kind of similar to that. Kai's asking if I'm going to use Shiba Swap or just keep in current wallet. I'm probably going to keep it in a current wallet, guys. I mean, I will be bringing you the information, but I'm personally probably just going to keep it in my current wallet. I've got it over on crypto. Everyone makes me laugh with the price predictions. Yeah, guys, I mean, being a YouTuber, you guys want me to talk about price predictions. They're hard. I mean, frankly, cards on the table, right? They're hard to do. Yeah, price predictions are hard because you're kind of guesstimating, if you will, but you're also kind of looking at past history, and you're looking at year-to-date all-time highs and things like that. It's kind of one of those things. All right, cool. So yeah, we're looking good. Let me refresh this, see what we got here. Oh, we're moving up. Wow, we just had a 4% jump, guys. We just had a 4%. We were at 3%. We just had a 4%. We might actually touch 8. We have touched 8 in the last 24 hours, but now we're right at that. We're right at on the peak. So we're. I'm telling you, guys, this is buying in lead up to tomorrow's CERDIC K. That's what this is. This is buying. That's what it is. That's what I firmly believe it is. Let's see if the candlestick. Yeah, look at this. The candlestick. Just moved. We just passed our resistance level right there. Our small little minor resistance level. We just went up above that. So it could continue to rise. I think it's going to continue to do this. Oh, now we're at 803.2. So all I got to do is I got to go live, and Shiba's just going to keep going up. So I'm just going to be here. I'm never going to stop live broadcasting. Crypto.com has it over 827. Wow, that's cool. All right, let's keep going, guys. All right, cool. We got a good group here. We're like 650 people live watching. Thank you guys for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. I appreciate that. Oh, let's talk about our beloved Dogecoin, Dogerino. Doge is up too. All right, Doge is up 5.2%. Still ranked number 6, looking good. Volume is increasing. Wow, look at that volume. It's up 51%. Man, that's gone up. Look at this right here, up the little gray. Doesn't look like it much on this gray, but see this gray chart, this gray part of the chart. But I think she's looking good. I did a video on Doge earlier today. I think that Doge is going to kind of continue to kind of do its thing. I firmly believe that I think the reason that Doge is moving up is because of this article right here, okay? If you're not aware of this, I did not cover this in my video. Actually, my buddy Zach texted me this, and I didn't know that this, this didn't show up on my radar while I was recording and editing, so it's not in my video. So here's what I think. Here's why I think Doge is moving up. Okay, so Dogecoin sees uptick after Elon Musk tweets supporting fee change proposal. The Tesla founder tweeted in response to a proposal to reduce the fee. Here we go. So this is kind of breaking news. I mean, this just came out, well, a couple hours ago. About 3 or 4 hours ago. Elon Musk tweeted support for a proposal to change Dogecoin's fee structure was followed by an uptick in the price of the meme-based crypto. The Tesla founder said it is important to support a reduction in Doge transaction fees. His tweet was in response to a proposal by Dogecoin developer Patrick Lauder to reduce fees to 1 cent Doge in order for the crypto to remain competitive. The current recommended fee of 1 Doge has become steep for the perceived value of the transaction Dogecoin and is, quote, disincentivizing on-chain transactions unnecessarily. Later, Lauder wrote on GitHub, a website where software developers share code, blah, blah, blah. Lauder argues that whereas Doge transactions used to be 10 times cheaper than Litecoins, they are now nearly 5 times as more expensive, etc. All right, so this is kind of cool, okay? That's it. I think that's what's going on. That's the latest as far as Doge and this piece of content, and I think that right there is the reason we're moving up. I mean, it's just, Elon has got the power to move, right? He does. And so I think we might continue to see it rise a little bit. But also what I'm seeing, and this is my Dogecoin trading view chart. You guys know that this is each candlestick is an hour worth of trading volume. We're absolutely in this kind of consolidation channeling pattern right now. And yes, we're moving up, we're ticking up, but also what I want to comment on is the kind of narrow band of the trading volume, as well as and what I mean by this, right? I mean, like, how it's just trading in a pretty narrow range. Also, what I want to point out is that the overall trading volume is not that much per se right now. We got pretty small candlestick actions, so there's just not a lot of movement, right? And so I think we're going to continue to probably see this around Doge, this kind of period of consolidation, maybe minor moves up. So I think two things are going on here. The reason that the Doge is up 5.85 is the overall crypto market is kind of in a similar deal. Oh man, my Ethereum's killing it. Cool. All right. I'm brilliant. I bought Ethereum last night and it's starting to go up. My Bitcoin's up, profitable too. I bought Cardano at $1.32. I'm rich. I can go buy myself a new island now. All right, I'm just laughing at myself, but you get my point, right? The overall market, I think that's kind of where we're at. Okay, let me know in the chat. What do you guys think about Dogecoin? Where do you think Doge is going to be by the end of the year? I want your guys' opinion. Where do you guys think? Drop in the chat. I know we got a lot of Doge lovers here because more than half my channel is built off of Dogecoin videos. So let me know in the chat. Where do you guys think Doge is going to be by the end of the year? AJ, will Dogecoin bark again and ever hit $1? Yeah, I do. I think Dogecoin will hit $1. I think it will. I think it could be by first quarter of next year. We got the whole moon rocket thing and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. So let's see here. I'm taking a drink and just hold on a minute, guys. Steve says Doge will hit 5. Well, that's pretty cool. Steve, I hope you're right, brother. Doge will be 58 cents by the end of the year. 50 cents. I got $1.25. I got 75 cents. Let's see. Joshua bought a boatload of Cardano around $1. That's cool. Joshua, you're in a little bit better than I am. I'm at $1.32. I got 75 cents for Doge. 85 cents. $1. Let's see. I got $3 by the end of the year. Doge really depends on Elon. When he accepts it as Tesla and tweets it will really go up. I agree. I got 85 cents. So looks like kind of what you guys think, and the overall consensus is that we're probably between 75 cents and $1 by the end of the year. I mean, that could happen. I'll tell you what will happen around Dogecoin, guys. This is truth. So hear me loud. when we get into first quarter and the whole rocket moon thing, that's going to be global media event for the world. Doge will start going up. You know, it will. Yeah. So it looks like we're around 75 cents to $1, give or take. I think that's that's fair. You know, I think that's fair. Doge will be $10 in the next 5 years. Amen. Hallelujah. I hope you're right. Scott, always go to your stuff. Thanks. Appreciate that. Hey, from London. Wow, cool. Thanks for joining me from London. That's pretty sweet. See, I'm just reading some of these. Okay. Red's asking me how come I don't want to use Shiba Swap for my tokens. It's not that I don't want to use it, Red. Don't misunderstand. Don't read anything into what I said. Okay. I just simply said I've got all my stuff on crypto. I may or may not use Sweet Shiba Swap. I'm going to get an account, all that kind of stuff, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to do. I'm just telling you straight up. You know, what you hear me saying is I'm a 30-year stock guy. I tend to be like I'm just going to buy and hold and kind of leave it where it's at. You know, etc. I got a busy life with the fam, making videos, doing all this content for you. I'm trying to not add a lot to my life, you know, so that's what it is. That's it. I'm here reporting on it for you guys. So there you go. Yeah, just don't, so don't read anything into that. Okay. Got somebody from Singapore. Wow. Amir, you never read any of my messages. Amir, what did you ask me? I mean, you got to realize I got like 800 people on here live and I get a ton of messages coming through. So I can't read everybody's. I'm sorry about that. There it is. Shiba to 001. That's what you're asking me. Amir's asking me when Shiba to 001. So right now, let's see if we've gone up any more. Oh, we have. We're up 9% now. So right now, this 8 on Shiba is sitting in the millionth spot. Our year-to-date all-time high is when we had a 3 in the 100,000 spot. And so I see your T-Bear. I see your super chat. I'll get to you in just a minute. So you're asking me when will we be here? 001. I think that's a year or two away, if not more. We've got to get coin burn. We got to continue to grow and grow and grow. I think with all of the major catalysts that we have coming out, I think we'll definitely take over at the 100,000 spot, if not move to the 10,000 spot. If not, it maybe go higher. But I mean, for us to go any real higher, we got to get massive coin burns, things like that. T-Bear, Coinbase for it's a super chat. Coinbase for sure, and they just entered the Japanese market bigger than originally. Cool. Wow. Thanks for that. Foxy, have you heard about Trident Token yet? Yes, I have. Foxy, it's a super chat, and that's the screen name. Launched yesterday and already 3x. Picked up 30 billion yesterday, along with some more SHIB and Doge. Very cool. I have heard of Trident Token. There's a lot of people that have come on to previous live streams and asked me to look at it. I've looked at it previously. I'm cool with everything. It's cool. It's awesome that it's up 3x. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Watch out. Just a bit of cautionary advice, right? Trident, make sure it's a charity token. Make sure that they continue to follow up and they continue to document doing their charitable donations, things of that nature. As long as you feel like it's continuing to do that, more power to you. I'm a huge fan of charity tokens as long as they're the good ones. There's some scams out there with some charity tokens that I'm hearing, because they wrap that token in the charity blanket, right? And people have been taking advantage of it. I'm not saying that's Trident. That's not what I'm saying, okay? I'm just saying be aware, and kind of my saying, right? Go into it eyes wide open. But hey, that's cool, Foxy, that you got into it and you've already 3x'd your money. Awesome. Cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. Wow, we're at 800 plus people here live. That's awesome. You guys hit the like button if you would. I would greatly, sincerely appreciate it. But we're still making money with Bone, right? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So let me see what else we got here. Where can you buy Trident? Somebody can probably buy, I bet you can buy Trident on Pancake, probably. Is it? Yeah, here it is. Trident. Is it this? It? No. Let's see. Oh, this one. Hold on. This I had trouble with this the other day when I was trying to get to it. Trident Token. There it is. Trident Token. Yeah, so this is Trident, and how to buy is right here. So yeah, it's PancakeSwap right here. So there you go. So go to tridenttoken.com and you can, that's where you can buy it. Okay. All right, cool. So have people jumping in, yeah, talking about that. Any update on Telcoin? Not any more than what I've already. We talked about Telcoin on a previous live stream, and no real update there. I haven't done anything. I haven't put any money into them. The market, they are on KuCoin and 1inch, etc. So for my new stuff that I'm doing for my inner circle group, I'm going to be buying on crypto and Coinbase. So I kind of wish that, and I may eventually have to just fold and get a like a KuCoin or something. But I do like this. I do like Telcoin, at least from what we looked at it the other day. Oh, I got another super chat. Hey Austin, have you by any chance looked into Lucky Doge? I think we have. So we got a super chat for Lucky Doge, LDOEG, Lucky. No, it's not it. L Doge. Okay, so. It's not on. Well, let me do it this way just to make sure. Nope. It's probably. Is it on CoinGecko? Let's see what we got here. Hold on just a minute. CoinGecko. Lucky Doge. L Doge. Nope. All right. Well, let's find their website. Lucky Doge Crypto. Where's their website? All right, well, let's go here. LuckyDoge.finance. There we go. Okay, cool. There we go. I don't know if I've seen this one. I don't know. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Thank you. I don't know if I've seen Lucky. I thought I had. Let me see. I'm assuming it's it's an ecosystem, a deflationary token, blah, blah, blah. Unlike others, Lucky Doge and Lucky Fund collaborate strictly on our token. Where do you, how to buy? Where do you buy it at? PancakeSwap. Okay. Yeah. So I don't have an opinion, honestly. Thanks for the super chat, but I think it's one of those. It's just it's brand new. It's it's just classic. Might pop, etc. But and I could look for it on Poo and things like that. But I think I just think again, eyes wide open, right? So thanks for the super chat. Eyes wide open, and I don't have a positive or negative opinion about it. Just put money into it that you can afford to lose, just in case it goes south on you in that scenario. Okay. So thanks for the super chat, by the way. I mean, what else we need to do here? We got a lot of people on. We got like 845 people. Wow, it's crazy. So let me see what else we got here. Cool. We got a lot of chats. I can't get to all of them, guys. I apologize. Shib is zooming. What's going on? Is Shib moving up again? Oh, where's that? Where are we at? Yeah, she's moving up. Now it's up 913. Yeah, it's moving up a little bit. Yep. That's good stuff. Got a super chat from Dan for thanks. Just give me some money. Well, I appreciate you. I'll go buy a beer on you later. So thank you. Appreciate that. Got people saying Trident Token's going strong. Very cool. Yeah, I got people, hey, guys, I'm not slamming Trident. I did not do that, okay? So please don't think that I did. Trident, I've heard good things about it. I'm just, I always like to be a little bit of the voice of reason. If you guys are doing well and you're into it, awesome, okay? Yeah. I did go look at the website, so thank you for that. You know, for definitely, we got a lot of people here like Trident. That's very cool. So again, I did look at Trident already. In fact, I think it's right here. So you guys go check out Trident. I'm happy to give it a little bit of promotion. The Trident token has been brought up on every live stream. I think this is one of the bigger charity-based ones that has come out, and you know, the whole ocean scenario, I'm a fan. Okay, so there you go. Just I'm always of the standpoint that make sure that, you know, it's that they do what they say they're going to do, and other than that, yeah, cool. More power to you. And it sounds like people are already making some money with it, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so there you go. Very, very, very cool. Got a lot of people here. All right. AMP, what are my thoughts on AMP? I'm actually going to buy some AMP today. I do like AMP. I heard that guy over at Coin Bureau on YouTube had come out with a video or was talking about some negative things around AMP. I got to go do a little bit of due diligence on that. So yeah. So somebody's asking how much Shiba they need to buy to make 100K in the next few months. Wow, that's that's like, oh, I don't know. I mean, it's one of those things where you know what? If you're trying to figure it out, just go find yourself like a stock calculator, stock gains calculator right here. Like you can do this and like good calculators, and you can kind of figure it in. You can kind of take a look at it and go, all right, if I put this much money in and bought this many shares when I purchase for this level, and then it'll calculate everything that you need. Okay. Now, obviously, the part of it related to like how much you're going to make, you know, SHIB has to go up, right? And it will continue to go up, but you know, I mean, it's not like you can make 100. You know, if I could just say, hey, you could do this, this, and this, you make 100,000, that'd be pretty cool. Price prediction for ADA Cardano, I think $5 by the end of the year. So I think that's possible. Let's see what else we got. A lot of Trident people here today. It's kind of cool. Do I have anything to say about Polkadot? You know, I like Polkadot. I don't own any Polkadot, and it's Polkadot, I think, is pretty cool. But I'm not fully versed in them. And so I think that they're absolutely unequivocally one of the bigger stable coins around. And I think that they've, you know, that I do like them. I'm going to dig into Polkadot more. Excuse me. But I'm honestly not, and you know, you guys know me. I'm not going to BS you. If I can't really speak to it, you know, if I'm not versed in it, I'm going to tell you I'm not, right? And so I do like them at face value, and but I don't know enough to really dig into them. So there you go. All right, what else we got here? So guys, I've been with you about 43 minutes. I'm probably going to stay about another 30 minutes or so. I just wanted to come on and spend some time with you. We got a massive week this week with SHIB. We've already covered it, but I'm going to remind some of you guys who were not here earlier. So for SHIB, we've got the CERTIC AMA coming up tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern. You can basically go on Twitter and just type in CERTIC and Shiba, and you'll find this. But on their Telegram group is where they're going to have this tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern. I may very well either do a live stream right after or some variation on that, or a video or something talking about what was covered on the AMA. But to me, this is the biggest catalyst around SHIB. And then we've got also discussion potentially that SHIB may go live, Shiba Swap may go live on July 1. There's been some rumor and speculation around that. And then thirdly, to make this the biggest week, one of the biggest weeks, is that we very, very, very well could get the Coinbase Pro listing back up up and running for Shiba this week as well. Okay, I don't have any concrete. That's just speculation. The Coinbase Pro thing, and obviously Shiba Swap as well. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are here for Shiba. So just letting you guys know. So somebody's asking me, do you always watch the charts on the hour? And if yes, why? So that's a really good question. So like I tend to look at So for my videos and stuff like that, I watch the Trading View. I have my Trading View set to 1 hour, and you can see that right here in the upper left-hand corner. I tend to like to watch it on a 1 hour time frame, and that's where I have it set up kind of by default. But yes, every now and then I will zoom out and look at it like on a 24-hour or even a larger to look and see if I can see any larger trends. And so, but kind of day to day, I tend to view just the hour by hour. But if I'm kind of trying to get an overall holistic view of kind of what's going on with a particular crypto, I'll first look at it from a larger view, and then I'll zoom in and things like that. So it's a good question. Thank you for that's from the Mexican Trader. But you guys know I don't do day trading. I don't do swing trading, anything like that. I'm a buy and hold guy. So yeah, so there you go. Let's see what else we got. Got a lot of chats. You guys would you hit the like button? I'd greatly appreciate it. That would help me greatly. For those of you guys who are interested, I've got my Patreon group over here. So if that's something that you care about, if you're interested in that, I've got a private Discord, as well as I'm building a portfolio where you guys get to see all the coins I'm looking at and things like that. We've got a really active Discord. You can see that that Nut is over there, right there. There's our buddy Nut, who's always active in the on the lives and stuff like. But we talk about individual cryptos, as well as really what I like about this, honestly, is we have a tremendously supportive environment. And I think that, so if you're kind of out there doing the crypto thing by yourself, I think that what's cool about having a overall kind of community that you're a part of is support and kind of having people to talk to and bounce ideas off of and things like that. So just FYI. And you can check the link below if you're interested in that. Okay, so well, we got a lot of people here, 850 with us live. Man, we're doing some good stuff here. Let's see what else we got. Let's see. Oh man. What else? Somebody's asking how much SHIB coins I'm holding. I'm buying more today. I'm absolutely going to buy some more today. But as far as kind of the overall, I've held anywhere from about 500 to 1,000. I've sold some, and right now I'm sitting at about $500 worth in one of my personal accounts. But I'm going to buy some more today or tomorrow, and I'm going to be buying those over on crypto because I firmly think it's going to go up. Oh, I got a major super chat here. Austin, please cover Kin one day. I really think they are highly underrated and undervalued. Can you please cover them one day? Kin one day? Kin one day? Kin one day. What is Kin one day? So I got a super chat from Altcoin Bonanza. Thank you for that. Big one. Appreciate you on that. Kin one day. I've never... Okay, what is this? Let me Kin... Is it Kin? Oh, Kin. Oh, okay. Okay, this is it. I'm assuming this is it. Yeah, oh, Kin. All right. What do we got here? So this is new. I've never looked at this one before. All right, so this is a super chat from Altcoin Bonanza. Thank you for the super chat. Nutsack, I see yours. I'll yell at you in a minute. Okay, so this is a new one. Let's see. I haven't looked at this one. All right, so Kin. So volume is 700,000. Market cap is 67 million. Rank 342. Last month. So we've continued to kind of trade down a little bit, and now we're going to move. We're starting to gradually move up. Okay, we're up 7.96% today. What's the? Okay, what is this? What is Kin? Let's see. It uses money with a digital ecosystem, consumer applications and services. Initially launched as an ERC20 token, was designed to be the main currency in the Kik Messenger ecosystem. Kik had initially launched a rewards point system, not a cryptocurrency, called Kik Points that ended in 2000. Kin is short for kinship, since it was aimed to strengthen ties with the Kik community. Kik raised around $100 million in the Kin initial offering, coin offering ICO September. Kik said that it would be shutting down its messaging app in order to fight a lawsuit. Wow, okay. Where the Kinney ICO sold above Media Lab bought. Wow, okay. So we've got a little bit of turmoil here. Median in October of 2020, Kick Interactive and the SEC announced they had reached a final settlement agreement following a long matter pertaining to the creation of Kin as a crypto in 2017. So we're past. So we're past the lawsuit. Okay, which was a year plus ago. Kin tokens enter circulation. Okay, let's just go to their website. So, money for the digital world, new way to grow news for your digital community, the ultimate win-win. Here's the thing. I'm always a fan. What I got from this is that they're using it as a coin, as a crypto that works with inside a specific use case application. Like the Kick. I don't know if that's still part of it. Let me do this. There was another website here, kin.kick. Oh, it's the same. Okay, it's taking me back to the same. So if I'm understanding this correctly, it's basically let your experience the benefits using TIN. These engagements contribute to creation of well-being on the digital economy. When you get a coin that's developed for a specific ecosystem, kind of like, let's just say it, like porno sites or something like that, or Chili's, right? Chills, like that coin is for a specific ecosystem, like fan, so that fans can interact and use coins to, for various reasons. I'm kind of a fan of that. I do like that because that's a very, very straightforward use case utility. This one's new to me. I think we're obviously past kind of the problems, and but yeah, I mean but it doesn't have a lot of volume. It doesn't seem like it's moving around a lot, and so I think it's not really well known. So maybe some more people will take a look at it after seeing this, see me talk about it, things like that, which would be cool. But right now, I think it's interesting, and I do like coins that are built for specific like ecosystem environments, right? Like Chili's or frankly the porn stuff, the porn coins, things like that. So this one's interesting to me in that capacity. So thanks for the super chat, appreciate it. Nutsack, I saw yours. If Shiba hits a half cent by the end of the year, I'm making a healthy profit. Yeah, I think we all are for sure, absolutely. So cool. All right, let's see. What else we got here? Let me take a drink here real quickly. So what's going on what's going on with SHIB? We moving up anymore? We're at 9%. Look at that though, guys. We broke above our resistance level. Pretty cool stuff. All right. So what else do we want to talk about? I've been here about an hour with you guys. It's pretty fun. I like that. Doge is continuing to trade pretty tightly, kind of staying in that range. The overall market. Let's look at crypto. Let's look at the crypto market. Again, Ethereum's actually making a nice little run today. Bitcoin is just up a little bit. But Ethereum is like the standout winner right now. So, ICP's coming back a little bit. Old ICP. Okay, there we go. All right, let's look and see what's on the chats. Let's see. All right. What else is going on here? Mark, 100 million holding strong. Cool. All-time high after Shiba swap will work. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. How much will the pump be? Can we get the money back because we bought at so you bought at the high. So we got somebody who bought at who bought at the all-time high when 3 was in the 100,000 spot for SHIB. I mean, we got a possibility, guys. We got a possibility on SHIB getting back to, this was our all-time high when we had a 3 in the 100,000 spot. We've definitely got a possibility to get back there. I mean, we get basically all 9s here, right? And then we roll to a 1 here, etc. And so, I think to get back to an all-time high is absolutely a possibility with everything going on with Shiba Swap, the CertiK, Coinbase, etc. So we'll kind of see how that will continue to play out. Continue. All right, cool. All right, so let me see what else we need to be chatting about. So we got like 900 people here live. That's crazy. That's cool. Thank you for spending some time with me. If you're brand new coming in, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. Would you please hit the like button? Just hit that little like button below. That tells the whole YouTube thing that I'm here and working with you guys and having a conversation with y'all. What are my thoughts on HODL token? It's been trending on CMC for weeks now. I haven't looked at HODL in a while. It's definitely one of the original. Wow, that's up pretty good. It's up 17%. Okay, that's pretty good. 7 days. Let's see what she's moving at. So she's starting to spike up a little bit. She spiked on June 2/7 and continued to kind of roll up a little bit and bounce back a little bit. So right now you're at, it's like your all-time highs are in the 2 ranges outside of this crazy stuff over here. Yeah, that's kind of cool. HODL, I mean, it's kind of the original kind of, buy and hold and you get rewarded thing. So it's been a while. I've talked about it at length on different live streams that I've done. Oh, man, my voice is starting to go. I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit. It's crazy. It's hard. You'd be shocked, guys. It's hard. I've been talking for an hour straight. And it's like, you may not like, hey, it's easy to just sit there and talk. Actually, not all the time. That's funny. Let's see. Oh, we got a super chat from Nutsack, my buddy Nut. Have you heard anything about Mercury Genesis? No, I have not. Let's see. Is it here on? Okay, let's see. Mercury. I spelled it. Did I spell it right? Super. Nut, did I spell it right? Mercury Genesis. All right, well, let's just do it. Let's do it the old way. Let's go this way. Go to Google. Can't spell today. Mercury Genesis crypto. Oh, it's mercury.com. Okay. Is that what I had? Did I have that? Hold on, let's go here. Let's do this. Hold on, Nut. I got you. Hold on. Mercury. Is this it? I don't think this is the one you want me to look at. Let's go Jupiter. Crypto, blah, 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 blah. No, I don't think that's it. Mercury Genesis. Banking built for startups. Mercury makes bank accounts that help tech companies. Is that right? Did I do that? Mercury Genesis Crypto. No, that's an ad. Hold on. Ugh. Nut, you threw me for a loop with that one, man. Is it Dfinity? No, that's not it. Mercury Genesis. Dfinity? Mercury Genesis. Dfinity unveils. The answer is no, Nut. I have not heard of it. Hit me up in the Nut. Hit me up in the in our private chat over on Discord and give me what you want me to look at on that. So let me know, okay? So yeah, hit me up there, Nut. Roberto Lucero, have you heard of Save Ralph token? It's on pre-sale right now. No, I have not heard of Save Ralph token. Let's look. It's so funny. Save Ralph token. Save Ralph token. All right. Save Ralph token. What is this? Welcome to Save Ralph ecosystem. Save Ralph is aiming to use part of the revenue to subsidize first mint transaction NFTs, transfer users. Ralph Swap, a trading pair system that allows people to place orders and trade. Okay, so NFTs, etc., swaps, holders. We have 1,900 holders. Our mission, we were determined to build the most secure and trusted these ecos. It's for rabbits. Okay. So we're trying to save rabbits. Save rabbits are durable and defend that over time are being used. Okay. Oh, okay. So their whole deal is to save rabbits. That's interesting. Did not know that this was. Yeah, that is sad that rabbits are used to be experimented on and things like that. Carrot the government. Okay. Save Ralph from You movie by Humane Society. That's pretty cool. There's their carrot paper. Where can you get them at? What markets are they on? Oh, is that buy? Is that right there? Buy. Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, the pre-sale. Oh, I got you. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, here's the thing. Eyes wide open, right? I like it. It's everything. It's brand new, charity-based. I get it. It's cool. Thank you for the super chat. I'm glad that I could show this on my channel. So it's saveralphtoken.com. You guys go check it out if y'all are looking for another one maybe to get into. I like the fact that they're targeting rabbits. Rabbits are cute, sweet. I love rabbits. So yeah, go check them out. Adorable and defenseless. These things are vicious. Somebody said about rabbits. It's funny. Somebody says the burn will happen when Shiba Swap drops. Yeah, I mean, that's absolutely. That's the plan, right? Let's see what else we got here. But thanks for your Roberto. Thanks for your super chat. I mean, go into it eyes wide open. Don't put in money into it you can't afford to lose. And I'm not slamming it. You guys all know me. I mean, I'm always going to shoot straight with you, and just kind of I hope that I hope they do well. I hope that they kill it, and not in a bad way. That came out wrong. I don't mean kill rabbits. I hope that they do well with the token offering and things like that. Very cool. All right, let's see. All right, guys. So I'm gonna give about another 15 minutes. So we got about a 15-minute call before I'm gonna head out here because I wanted to spend about an hour and a half with you guys. Somebody's asking about Shiba Swap release date. I do not officially know, but there is speculation that it's going to be July 1. There is speculation. I thought it was a Christmas Story coin. Laugh my ass off. Daddy's going to kill Ralphie. Oh, yeah. Christmas Story. That is my favorite Christmas movie of all time. All right, here we go. Fun quiz. Fun survey. What is your favorite all-time Christmas movie? Favorite all-time Christmas movie, drop in the chat. Favorite all-time Christmas movie. Mine, A Christmas Story. Here in the United States, for a lot of you, I'm assuming a lot of you guys, it comes on like TBS or one of those channels, and they play it for 24 hours straight. And I literally, in the main TV in our living room, I turn it on, and it stays on all day for 24 hours, and it's just on. It's not, and the volume may not be on, but it's always on. So what's your favorite all-time Christmas movie? Drop in the chat. Favorite all-time. We got Die Hard. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, Die Hard. It's funny. Die Hard was never meant to be a Christmas movie, obviously, right? But it became one. Die Hard was me when that came out when I was a kid. Polar Express. Yeah. For those of you guys who like do you remember that when Polar Express came out, there was people that actually didn't like it because they said that the animation, those people look kind of freaky. So Polar Express. Die Hard, Wonderful Life, Christmas Story. Die Hard, man, Die Hard's winning here. Christmas Story, Vacation. We also watch Christmas Vacation. That's also one of our other traditions. Polar Express, Home Alone, Die Hard. It's funny. Christmas Vacation, Home Alone, Bad Santa. Bad Santa's pretty funny. Yeah, it's really funny. That's awesome. It's funny. Christmas Story. Star Wars Christmas Special. I haven't seen that one. I'll have to check that out. Jingle All the Way. Yep, I've seen that one. That was pretty good. Christmas Story, Friday After Next. Yeah. You know what they did when Christmas Story? What was amazing with that movie? That movie was made like in the 1980s. It was made I think it was made in the 80s. But the fact that they made it so well, it looks like it was made like back from because obviously it happens back in like the 40s and 50s. But that movie is never going to age. It's always going to be an icon for Christmas because of the way it was made and how visually how well they did that, because it looks like it was made 40 years ago or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And it just just does really, really well. So yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Elf is up. Oh, Elf. Yeah, Elf. Yeah, my wife loves, what's his name? The main guy in Elf. She loves him. So we always watch his stuff. Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. There's a goodie. I've seen that one. That was funny. I wish John Candy was still with us. A Muppet Christmas Carol, Dan Shelton. I haven't seen that one. I'll have to check that out. Cool. That's funny. All right, guys, let's do this. I got about a 10-minute call here. So 10-minute call. Shiba's continuing to bounce up a little bit. She's moving up a little bit for us, guys. She's definitely going up. That's awesome. So let's look at the overall kind of market. Man, my Ethereum's doing well. I'm already up in that. That's pretty cool. Cardano. Ooh, I'm up 3 cents. I'm gonna go buy a new island. What I've made off of Cardano. Of course, I'm laughing, kidding, right? But I mean, that's a long-term hold for me. And Polygon is a long-term hold. I bought Polygon. I think at $1.06 or something like that. Whatever it was last night around 11 o'clock. And I bought Ethereum. When I bought Ethereum, it was about 1,800, so it's up a little bit. And then I bought Bitcoin at like 34.4. So yeah, I'm buying the rest of the coins today for my private group. I'm gonna be on about 5 or 6 more for them and telling them why I'm buying everything and stuff like that. So that's cool. Yeah, so cool. Happy birthday, Austin. It's not my birthday. My birthday is in May. So yeah. Your wife and you enjoy my videos. Thanks, Ray. Appreciate you. I aim to entertain. Cool. My chart on crypto shows 0.833 something on Shiba. Why yours are different? The price is going to be a little bit different on different exchanges, so that's why you're seeing that. So if I go look on CoinMarketCap, they're just a little bit different. So there you go. Who killed the baby? Okay, Nutsack chimed in with his favorite Christmas movie is Who Killed the Babysitter. Oh, man, that's funny. Oh, happy birthday, Elon, somebody says. Maybe that's what it was. Okay. Amir's asking me if I like SafeMoon. I do like SafeMoon. I wish SafeMoon was easier to buy. I wish they were on more exchanges. But I liked, I heard they had a good AMA yesterday. I haven't looked recently. I just haven't looked at it today. I like SafeMoon for what they're doing, man. They've got their executive team is out there, front and center, fighting for that coin. I don't mean fighting in a bad way. They're out there just, they're just ambassadors, and they're working it every single week, and I applaud that. I applaud the use case they're trying to develop around it. Their own exchange, their wallets, etc. I'm a fan. I like them. I do cover them on my channel. I don't cover them every day, but yeah, I do like SafeMoon. I do like them. Somebody's asking how many coins am I invested in. Here's the thing. Probably too many. So my goal is kind of moving forward is that I will always have the bulk of my money as far as crypto investing will always be in stable coins, like your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygons, etc. Okay. Then I will have a certain amount of money that I will buy up and comers, like the amps of the world, things of that nature. Okay. Then I will always, every now and then, I will go and I will pick up a speculative coin, okay, and I will, and I will do that, but that will never be the bulk of where I'm at. I tend to be very, very conservative as far as how I kind of I do stock investing, so I'm bringing that into the crypto world. Is that I will always put money into stable coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc., and then I have kind of the next level, which is not a level down, it's just the next level, which is more kind of the Dogecoins and the Shibas that are still somewhat speculative, but they've proven themselves. They have communities. They have use cases or whatever variation on that there is, right? And that's and I will and I think that's where you're going to see most of the movement in my portfolio is where I might buy into an amp, and when I buy into it, I'm like, all right, I want to make 30% on this, and I might buy into it at the certain price it is, and then I want to make 30% and I want to get out. Maybe, or I might, say if I put $500 in AMP as an example, I'm just using as an example, maybe I'll buy in, and for half of it, I'm gonna set an exit price. I want to make 30% on half that investment, and then the rest of it I'm just gonna hold and just gonna ride it up, that kind of thing. But I think with crypto, the danger is you can get too many coins. But and that's not a bad thing. If you're like, hey, I want to throw $50 at this one, $25 at this one, and $50 at that one. As long as you can afford to do it, and it's cool, and it doesn't really, impact your lifestyle and things like that, I think it's okay to put money into some of these speculative coins, because I think they're better than a freaking lottery ticket, right? And I think that's one of the cool things about crypto. I really, really like that. Why do y'all keep saying it's my birthday? It's not my birthday. Somebody keeps telling me it's my birthday. It's not my birthday. I don't know why y'all keep saying that. That's funny. Maybe it's Elon's birthday, I guess. Dan said Shiba is fairly new. Yeah, it absolutely is. But Shiba is very quickly, delineating itself from the 10,000 plus crypto coins out there, right? I mean, it's crazy. Somebody asked me, why do I buy Bitcoin? It's so high, you need a lot of money to make any real returns. Okay, so somebody asked me why I buy Bitcoin. That's a fair question. Okay, so here's the thing. That's a really good question. Why do I think you should own Bitcoin and Ethereum? First and foremost, I firmly believe that if you're going to be, this is for me. I'm not telling you have to do this, right? It's not. So don't think I'm telling you what you need to do. I think if you're going to be invested in the crypto market, you should have some money in Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they are the two blue chip. They're the guys. Yes, I know Bitcoin. You can see it on the screen. It's $34,780. I did not buy $34,000 worth of Bitcoin. I didn't. I literally bought $500 of it last night. That's it. I own more of it in my personal other. This is the when I bought it for the portfolio for my inner circle members. Because here's the thing. I think Bitcoin's going to go up. I think Bitcoin's going to be $100,000 a coin et cetera. So my attitude is like, I'm going to put $500, maybe $500 to $1,000 into it every month in my inner circle portfolio, because I firmly believe that it will go up long term. And I think if you're somebody like me sitting in this chair, you need to be able to. You need to have some skin in the game. I talk about Bitcoin all the time. I should have some Bitcoin skin in the game, period. And by the way, I believe it's a good investment. There you go. And so Ethereum, I feel exactly the same way. Ethereum is the ecosystem, for the overall crypto market. Why do I like Cardano and Polygon? Because they're alternative ecosystems. They're alternative environments. So those are the reasons that I like those particular coins. But that's it. So am I telling you need to go buy Bitcoin? Absolutely not. I think it's got to be worth it to you. I realize that if you put $500 into Bitcoin, it takes a lot for you to get a return on that, versus if you go put $500 into another speculative coin, things like that. I'm not worried about my investment in Bitcoin either. Bitcoin if I bought it at $34,500, if it drops to $30,000, I'm not going to sell, because I know it's going to come back. So there you go. That's a really good question. Thank you for that. All right, cool. I'm reading the chat, so you guys bear with me. If you guys do me a favor, hit the like button if you haven't already done that. I appreciate it. I realize I got to keep asking you about that, but you might forget, and I need the like button to be tapped. That helps the whole YouTube thing, so I appreciate that. Tony, gotta love Austin Energy. This channel is awesome. Well, thank you, Tony. I appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. All right, guys. 5-minute call. 5-minute call. So, Austin, what percentage? Okay, here's a good question. Oh, wow. Austin, what percentage do you place that Shiba will reach 1 penny in 5 years? What percentage do I think? So, like on a scale of 0 to 100%, what do I think by reach a penny in 5 years? I think if we get a really, really, really big coin burn with Shiba Swap, I think it's possible. The catalysts are not enough to get us there. So if we can get a massive, massive coin burn where coins are locked up and all that kind of stuff, I think we can get there in 5 years. I do think that. That's what I think. So there you go. Whoever asked that, Mesco85, there's the answer to your question. I already looked at Trident tokens, so I already looked at it, guys. So thank you for that. So yeah, we got a 5-minute call, guys. 5-minute call, and then I'm heading out. I got to go grab some lunch. I haven't had any breakfast yet, and it's 11 o'clock here in Dallas, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch. And man, we've had a lot of people here with me today. This has been really, really cool. So Jonathan says, Austin, did you see the tweet about the pizza for all the holders? And Domino's declined and was asking for any opinions if anyone wanted to take the over. I did not see that. That's pretty cool. I love that Shiba's starting to kind of get all these different kind of things going for them. They're gonna, Voyager on the race car and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, Nutsack dropped in. Gave me a super chat. Thanks for the super chat, by the way, Nut. I appreciate you, man. People need to understand if Bitcoin or Ethereum go down, they all go down. They all go down. So yeah, Nut, I agree with you. I say it in every video, and that's kind of why. Back to the other reason I own Bitcoin and Ethereum and continue to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum is that I believe in the long-term viability of them. I think buying and owning them is a good thing from a long term. I think, guys, Ethereum is going to be $10,000 at some point. I do. So for me, if buying some additional, buying in at, $1,800 last night, I'm in, right? And I'm gonna continue to buy the dips, So, but I think, I personally think if you're going to be in the crypto game, you should have some money in Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's just how I feel. But everybody has their own opinion, right? So there you go. Austin, do you think that the increase in meme coin buyers are first-year coiners? I am one, but I hope that after buying it, I think that people buying it, it's not a bad thing. I think that a lot of people are a lot of first-time buyers into crypto are buying the meme coins. Like Kishu and Sanshu, I knew, and Shiba kind of was in that category. Shiba's differentiating themselves. Because I think that a lot of first-time coin buyers are coming in and they're looking at it like, if I put $50 into Kishu Inu and it goes up to $1, I'm going to be a millionaire. I get it. I'm not slamming that, right? But I think that that's the appeal of a lot of those coins to first-time buyers, which is why I always say what I say. I always say, look, go into it eyes wide open. Don't put money into it you can't afford to lose. If you're going to go buy that coin, look at, what are the tokenomics? What's the use case? Is the dev team front and center? I mean, you guys know me. I'm on record of talking about back in the day, 2 or 3 weeks ago, of I didn't like that Shiba Inu, the Satoshi is hidden and all that kind of stuff. I mean, again, don't slam me in the comments for that, but you get my point. I mean, I've stated that. I wish that it would have been done a little different. It's evolved, but my point to you is that the answer to the question, yeah, I think that the first-time buyers, which brings me back squarely to the fact that if you're going to be in crypto, I think you need to own some stable coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Cardano, XRP, that kind of deal. So there you go. Ba-bum-bum-ba. People saying happy birthday. That's funny. That's funny. Okay. All right, guys. 2 minutes. I've actually stayed a little longer than I said I would. So 2 minutes and then I'm out of here. Okay. So, it's funny. Everybody's saying, I think you guys are just now being funny. You're telling me that's my birthday when you know it's not my birthday. All right, guys. So I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you genuinely for your support of the channel. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button, because after the video, after my live stream, I end it. YouTube then goes out and starts to play it as a video for everybody. So that helps. So please hit the like button if you would. Genuinely, thank you for that. I'm going to go. I've been here with you guys about an hour and 20 plus minutes. Thank you for the super chats. Number 2, thank you for spending your time with me. I realize that you could spend your time other places with other YouTubers. Thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart that you guys have given me a voice in this crazy crypto market here on YouTube. I genuinely appreciate you guys. Thank you for every single thing that you guys have given me the ability to make these videos for you guys, give me a voice. Truly, sincerely, thank you for that. And as always, I'll be here for you every single day, helping you guys navigate these waters. I got some new videos coming out, and some different types of videos. You guys I've been trying out some different videos, and I'm going to be bringing out some different types of videos in the near future. So thank you for everything you guys do. I genuinely appreciate you guys. I will see you down the road. Just a few final things. Nutsack sent a $2. Hello, Crystal. I guess Crystal's in the house with us. Hey, Crystal. Let me see. All right, guys. All right, I got to go, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you sincerely for everything. I can't get to any more of the questions. We got like 800, 700 people still here with me live. Can't see all of them. Thank you guys. I'll see you. I will be back. We'll probably be doing. I will be doing a live stream tonight over on Zach's channel. So for those of you guys who want to check him out, let me show you. If you go to YouTube, it's a buddy of mine, really good friend of mine, Zach. Oh, there's me right there. Woohoo! Yeah. So Zach Humphreys right here. Here he is. So if you want to tune in, Zach and I are right here. Zach and I are going to do a live stream tonight on his channel. So if you want to go check him out and catch us on that live stream, usually when Zach and I are doing, we tend to do more of a kind of back and the forth discussion thing. So guys, please come on over and check him out, and I'll be on his channel later tonight. All right, guys, see you. Until then, as always, God bless. Take care. Bye.